Alright, folks, we're doing a little rip back from Secret Lake. Oh shit, gear down. It's a little rough these days, especially when you're going one-handed. Doing it! Oh yeah! Seen a grouse up on the way up here. He was going 20. As I pulled over, I seen him in the tree go for a rock, and poof, he went about 25. So giving you guys a little commentary on the ride down. Here, I'll gear up a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I know there's a rough spot up there. Oh yeah, little bird. Lost my beer back there. Oh shit. Oh, how we doing, folks? Oh, gear down. Oh, hooligan mobile here. Out for a dirt scoot. Oh, did a little cleanup back there at Secret Cabin. Had a garbage. Oh shit! Had a garbage bag in my backpack, so filled the whole fucking garbage bag. Oh damn! I can't obviously haul it out because I'm on a dirt bike. So I left a bunch of stickers. I left a note. All you hooligans, get up there and please take away the fucking trash. You know what I'm saying? Oh, little tree dodge here. Oh, oh yeah, this is good. Yeehaw! A little rough trail down. Oh yeah. All right, catch you guys on the next ride. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.